All right, in this video, we're looking at the practice activities for lesson 20, collision detection in code.org. So if we look at this right here, it says is debugging is touching. So we're looking for the is touching command here, which is this right here. And it says the bunny sprite should change to a new animation when it comes to the sun, when it touches the sun sprite. Figure out why the bunny doesn't react to the collision. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on right now. So we have the sun, it goes down and not doing anything. And what should happen is the bunny becomes happy, and right now he's sad, which is very unfortunate. So what we need to have happen here is we have this if, but it really only checks it one time because it's not in the loop. So when we run this, it checks it right now, okay? The command, program, it starts, it checks it, it's not touching it, so it doesn't do anything. So what we need to do is make this if statement here, place this within the draw loop. Now we want to make sure that it's after the background, or it could be before, I guess, too. But we want to have it in the draw loop. If we don't have it there, what's going to end up happening, again, is the if statement happens, but then it doesn't just check constantly over and over and over. If it's in the loop, it will, because the loop will just have it go through and check it if, is it touching the bunny? No. Is it touching the bunny? No. Is it touching the bunny? No. Is it touching the bunny? Once it touches it, yes, then it's going to go ahead and set this animation. So we're going to go ahead and place this in here. And basically then what happens here is in the draw loop, it's just going to keep checking over and over and over and over and over. And once it ends up touching, then it's going to go ahead and change the animation. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So it's moving, it's checking, no, 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 no. Oh, it hit it. And now the bunny is happy and we're good. All right. And then once it's, then that's it. That's all we need to do. All right. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.